back with another video. So this is an impromptu video. Like, I got up to perm my hair this morning. I'm like, well, not perm, relax. I got up to relax my hair this morning and I was like, let me just do it on camera so I can make a video about it. I was kind of insecure about coming on camera like this, but I mean, this is me. This is the hair that I have. Y'all ignore this burn mark. I burned my forehead last weekend curling my hair, so that's gonna be ugly because it's big as hell. So it got to go through the phases, you know, when it turns black. So if y'all have any kind of recommendations for me to put on this burn mark, just let me know, because it's probably gonna take about a year for it to go away. So anyway, back to me relaxing my hair. So I have 4C hair. That is like the kinkiest hair ever. Reason why my hair is dirty and matted like this is because most of the time I keep my hair fringe braided to the back, like 6 cornrows, and I wear my different wigs. I hardly ever do anything with my hair, and some may be like I don't need to relax it, but I'm too lazy to manage natural hair. It's not that I don't love my natural hair. I've never been natural. I've been getting relaxers since I was 5, if I can remember. But it's not that I don't love my natural hair, it's just I don't have the energy and I do not want to manage it. I mean, I don't care what kind of comments you leave. You'll probably leave all kind of comments how all hair is beautiful, blah blah blah. I don't care. So the last time I had a relaxer was about 12 weeks ago. I normally don't go past 9 weeks, but I've been lazy, so I have quite a bit of new growth, so I only relax my new growth. And as I said before, I do have 4C hair, so that's like the kinkiest. I just took my hair out of the cornrows and I probably shouldn't be relaxing it yet, but oh well, it's probably gonna burn, but I'm still gonna do it. The relaxer I've been using for the past, I'll say about 5 years, that I've grown to love is the ORS olive oil brand. I use this because it doesn't have like mineral oil and things like that. I also have low porosity hair where products sit on top of my hair. All the products I try to use for my hair, I make sure they're paraben free, mineral oil free, all that type of stuff. Do buy the box relaxer because it comes with everything you need. I'll go ahead and show you everything that's in the box. Here is the box, ORS. It used to be called Organic Root Stimulator, but now they just call it ORS. I make sure I always get the normal. I never get the super. The normal straightens my hair just enough. Here is the direction pamphlet that tells you how to use a relaxer and how long you should leave it on your hair. This is the gloves and the mixing spatula. I never use gloves. I know that's bad, but oh well. This is the relaxer and the activator. Here is the shampoo packet along with the conditioner packet. And then they throw in extras. This is oil moisturizing lotion and oil boost. I never use these, I just throw them out. Here I'm going to mix the activator with the relaxer. You want to make sure you pull the whole bottle in the relaxer because they measure out exactly what you need. Then I just mix it for a good minute. Before I start relaxing my hair, I always go in with the sensitive scalp and put this all over on the scalp areas. So the directions for that says to leave it on your scalp for 3 to 4 minutes. I'll be back when this has settled on my scalp. So it is about 10 minutes later and I'm about to relax my hair. So what I do is take 4 of these duck clips and I part my hair in 4 sections. Woo, guys, this new growth is something serious. Finally got 4 parts and it looks a mess. The parts aren't straight or anything, but that doesn't matter. So I usually start with a back section and then go to the next section until my whole head is done. Okay, Okay, y'all, as y'all see, I am done relaxing my hair. My alarm is about to go off, so I don't have time to rework it or do anything like that. And as you see, this side is not, I just got done and it hasn't processed yet. What I usually do when I go to wash it out is I'll wash out the back, because I put the relaxer in first, and then I'll just play around in the bathroom and then go wash out the front. But I make sure I get the back out. I take that perm out my hair because it's been in the longest. I get in the shower to wash my hair out because that way I could just do it in sections. So yeah, so after I wash it all out, I will be back. So I'm back from washing my relaxer out. This is a t-shirt that I use to dry my hair, because as you probably already know, it's bad to dry your hair with towels. They break your hair off. So yes, this is my relaxed hair. Like this side could process longer, but I don't care because I keep my hair braided up and I wear wigs and weaves. It's not necessary for me to get my hair bone straight. So the next thing I do, sorry, I keep getting all this hair in my mouth. So the next thing I do is take the conditioner that came in the box, which is this one, but this is the same thing. I'll use this first, and if I need some more, I'll put this all over my head. So then I'll sit under the dryer for 15 minutes with a plastic shower cap. Now that I washed the conditioner out my hair, I go in with some leave-in conditioner, and these are my favorite products to use. And I just spray it all throughout my hair. I don't like blow dry my hair or flat iron it just because there's no need, because I'm just going to cornrow my hair in 3 cornrows and then put back on my wigs or whatever I'm going to wear for the week.